guess what? Spring is here. Summer is coming up. And we are going to be doing fun craft activities, okay, kids? Just to keep our brain busy, right, guys? While we're at home, after we finish doing all our school work, we can do fun craft. Look at this wreath I made, guys, for you guys. Look, it has sparkles. It's so pretty. It's a daisy wreath, okay? And I am going to show you right now how I did this beautiful daisy wreath, okay, guys? So first of all, I am going to tell you all the things I used, okay? I used white paper for the daisies, right? I used yellow paper, green paper, okay? You get the hard paper, okay, kids? You also need one of these paintbrush, thin paintbrush. You also will need liquid glue. Right, kids? To put my liquid glue, I use this little container. See, this is my glue. Here is my glue, okay, kids? If you don't have a container like this, you can use any plastic container. You can use, you see those egg holders, plastic ones? You can use those and put your glue in there, okay, kids? You will also need like a glue stick just to make the round part for your flowers. I will show you how we're going to do that. So, okay, you need white paper, yellow paper, and green paper. Thin brush, a glue holder, liquid glue, a little glue stick if you have one. Okay, we need scissors, we need a hole puncher, okay, this big, not too big a hole, okay, kids, because that will be what we are going to use to make the center of our daisy, okay, for the yellow part. Okay, then I am going to show you, I also use twistles. If you have one, you can use it. If you don't, it's okay too, because the twistles will help me hold this yellow part that I make from this paper, right, guys, with my hole puncher. Then I use it to hold my yellow piece of paper to put in the center of my white flower, right, guys? I'll go right there in the center. Okay? One thing I am going to tell you guys, if you do not have a hole puncher to make your yellow piece of paper to put it in the center of your flower, you can too. I'll show you what you can do. You can color it too, kids. Guess what? You can use a yellow color and color the center of your flower. Just like that. You see? And make the yellow center, right? For your daisy. Okay, kids? So you will have this yellow center, right, kids? See? It's not much of a difference. If you do not have a hole puncher, to make those little circles from here with a hole puncher, just color the center, kids. I am going to show you now how I made my daisies, okay, kids? Okay, first of all, I make circles here, okay? How did I make those circles? I am going to lower my camera and show you how I made those circles, okay, kids? I use a glue stick, and I use the bottom of my glue stick, and as you can see, I use every inch of my paper. You do not waste any paper. You see, you put your glue stick like that. You will also need a pencil, so go all around around the bottom of your glue stick, okay? And make your circle. See, kids? Does it have to be perfect? No, it does not have to be a perfect circle. See, that's how I made my circle. You just put it like that, okay? Don't waste your paper, kids. And go all around with your pencil. Go like that. Go all around and around. Then, when I have them all like that, what I did was I folded like this, right on the edge. Kids, see? Right on the edge of my circle, right there. You hold it just like that. Oh, hold it this way. See, hold it this way. See, you hold it like that, kids. Fold it like that. And with a pair of scissors, you go and cut, see? Cut it all around like that. Remember, you do not have to have perfect circles. See? Then I have 2 circles here. I'll show you. I have 2 circles because I cut the bottom. 1, 2. Even if you didn't make it, if you make one like that, you have enough. See, the circle at the top will cut another circle at the bottom, okay, kiddos? And that is how you make your circles for your daisies. See, my circles are not perfectly round. They don't need to be perfect. So here, then I put them all together and I go like this to make all the edges of my flower, see? Get a grown-up to do this cutting for you guys because I don't want you guys to cut your fingers, okay, kids? You just do this. Go all around your flower. Around and around and around. See? I have a few flowers here already made. Remember, if you do not have a hole puncher to make your yellow circle here, I'll show you how your circle come out. I'll show you. See? You just use the hole puncher. It's faster, but if you do not have one, it's okay. If you do not have a hole puncher, then use a yellow marker. Right, guys? Easy peasy. Look, and make a little circle in the center of your flower. A tiny circle in the center. And look, guys. And make another circle. Right, kids? There we go. There's my daisy. There's my daisy all done. Oh my goodness, so cool. Then you see, also if you have a hole puncher, I'm going to show you how I use this little circle that I made with my hole puncher. I try to get these guys. I put them in here, see? And that's when I use my glue. See, that's when I use my glue. See, put my glue and this little piece of paper and stick it right there in the center. See? And then you just crisp it a little bit. Crisp your flower like that. See, kids? And I put it right in the center, you see? A little hole punch paper. Then I get my paint brush again and put some glue at the back here. See? Then I'm going to show you how I put my flowers here, kids. Then you put your flower in here. Lift this ones a little bit, okay? The one that you have already here, lift it up a little bit. And just stick your new flower in here. Just put it back here, kids. Just lift those a little bit. See? And I just put one more there. You see? Oh, so cute. Let's put another one together. Let's put this one that it has the yellow marker in the center. Okay, let's put a little bit more marker in the center. Okay, so it looks a little bit. Okay, so Remember, once you have done that, just go like this and close your flower a little bit, close it a little bit. Then use your glue. Put some glue at the back. Okay, kids? Then that's how you put your flower. Lift these little petals a bit and just put your flower there. Oh, so cool, look guys. That's my new flower right there. Look at right there, this one. Let's put another one with this thing, with the hole puncher piece, yellow paper here, kids. So let's get the glue on it, okay? We get glue like this on it, and then we put it right in the center, see? Right in the center. Push it down in the center, right? And then you push it down and cripple this, just like that, right guys? Then you are going to put some glue at the back again. Put some glue at the back. See, some glue. And we're going to put it right back here. See, this is a space here. So lift all those petals up and stick your flower right there, guys. Look how cute. Now, I am going to show you why I use this green paper. That green paper is to make leaves. You see all the leaves? All the green leaves around it? Right, kids? So you just cut your leaves. Do your leaves have to be perfect? No. You get pieces of paper like that and you just cut it in an angle like this, kids. See? Cut it with an angle that it is thin. And then guess what? I use my tweezers again. Hold it with the tweezers. Get some glue on that. And put your little green leaf right here, kids. I'll put it right here. Okay? Look, the green leaf is right there now. Let's put another one. Oh, this one is, look at this other piece. Another piece of green. Get it with glue, both sides. Put them in here. Stick it wherever you can see the bottom of there. See? And I put it right there, kids. Right there. Then I am going to continue putting all my stuff around. There is another one that I made it with and I am going to put the glue at the back again. Glue at the back. Cripple it a little bit so I can put it in. Lift up this guy, these petals, and put it right there. See? That is how you make your daisy wreath. Okay, kids? Put this guy here. Let me see, this one. Is this one? Oh, this one is yellow. Oh, I have one that have not yellow in the center. Let me put the yellow right in here. Right? Let's finish putting all our flowers. All the flowers in between here. Remember to lift some part of the other petals, kids. Okay, because you don't want it to be on top of the other one, right guys? So it will look prettier. So if you lift it a little bit, put your flower right there, right? Right there. Get a yellow center, glue it, put it in the center. There we go. Leaves, more leaves, glue, leaves here. Right, kids? And did you see, guys, how I put sparkles there? I am going to show you how I did the sparkles. For the sparkles here, you see the sparkles? Some sparkles here. I use this sparkle glue, okay, and I open it totally open, and I got it right open, right? I open it, and then I use my paintbrush. If you have another paintbrush, you can use it too. Then I got some sparkles, so I went all over here and I put sparkles on my flowers. That's how I put the sparkles, kiddos, okay? Okay, so you see the sparkles there? So you can put all your sparkles here, right? Get some more sparkles and put sparkles all over here. And they look so pretty, guys, with those sparkles. Oh, so pretty with the sparkles. So I'll show you how I put the sparkles. You hold it like that, and then you just go around and put some sparkles on it. Like it. See? And put some more sparkles. Just squeeze this a little bit, squish it a little bit. And get some sparkles there. Don't be shy. There, more sparkles. Sparkles and sparkles all over sparkles. Sparkles are pretty. I like sparkles. Who likes sparkles? Me. And that is how I made my daisy wreath. My daisy wreath. Okay, guys? You can make your own too. That's a daisy wreath for summer and springtime. I will talk to you later, kids. Adios, amigos.